Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for US dollar currency index or the DXY. I'll cover wave analysis with the Elliott Wave theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on this daily time frame, and this is my main count, in which we are starting again from the January 2021 lows and starting from there a impulse wave higher. In this one, I've labeled this as a 1-2, then again 1-2 of lower degree in intermediate, and again 1-2. So nested patterns all around here. Then alteration between the fourth and second here for the minor count, or on the third of intermediate, and alteration between this fourth here and this second, which would make sense. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the third, or ending the third of primary here. Now what I have to say that we don't really have a good looking alteration here, and we can't really have this as an expanded flat as this structure here is 1.618 inverted, or larger than 1.618 here than this one. Otherwise I could have been labeling this as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then have ABC here as an alteration wave 4 compared to this wave 2, but at the moment I don't have that, and that is making this less likely of the count. However, it is still my main though. Now yeah, we had a almost to the 38.2 retracement for the fourth, and then getting higher, so that's that. The second idea overall is this one, in which a bit different. We don't have alteration between the second and fourth here, and instead we would be having this as 1-2, alteration between this 2 and this 4, and then we would have this as 1, 2, 3, 4 and extended fifth here, ending and topping the third of primary here, and then now we would be looking for around some kind of retracement to the 38.2 retracement. As we did have an extended fifth here, we're not going to be expecting this wave 4 of higher degree getting back to the previous wave 4 area. Sorry, wave 4, higher degree wave 4, not expecting that to get to the prior lower degree wave 4 area, which is again here. So instead I would be sticking more to this here and this area here as well. So anywhere between the 2.36 and the 38.2 retracement area, I would be looking for that in this count. Again, some of these are not having alterations between the counts or between the different wave structures, so that is making it less likely. Though we have to be remembering that there is no alteration between these higher degree structures here as well. So there are issues in both of the scenarios. Now this is still my main, and let's go through the current structures that we've had and how I've labeled them. At the moment this is labeled as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very small 4 compared, well, not too small, but well, wave 3 is very large compared to anything else here. This would bring us to wave 1. Then a kind of shallow wave 2, going back to the 0.5 retracement, and then 1, 2, a complex correction here on wave 2, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4 expanded diagonal on the fifth of sub-minuets, creating the third of minuets count here, and then we have a some kind of a ABC structure, or yeah, ABC I think it looks the best, and very shallow 23.6 retracement of this whole move. It would be definitely an alteration compared to this one, which was very deep and very long, while this is kind of shallow and kind of sharp for wave 4 at least. Now the next thing we would be looking at is the depth of wave 2, which is 0.5. Again, not too deep, so we could be expecting some kind of deep retracement here on wave 4, and that is a possibility still here. We are really close to the invalidation point of this structure here already though, so we have to be remembering that if the price gets to around $105.8, then we are really close to invalidating this whole bullish idea of this being 1, 2, 3, 4, and then looking for that fifth here. We don't have any alterations between the fourth and second here, which is again making this a bit less likely overall. This is definitely a very deep way forward already, as we are getting to that 0.5 retracement. We had previous stops here, and this definitely looks like a area of interest. If there was a lot of liquidity down here, the market makers brought us down here and got that liquidity, and now I could definitely see us going higher. We took out all these lows. If people have had still longs and stop losses below these lows, those were all taken, and now we could be heading higher. So that's basically my bullish and local structures at the moment on US dollar currency index. If you have other accounts you would like to share, there's a link to my free Discord server in the description below. If you made it this far in the video, I would appreciate likes, and for now I would like to thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.